DJI is on the verge of redefining portable cameras with the highly anticipated OSMO Pocket 4. Leaks and rumors have generated excitement, suggesting this device could be a game-changer for vloggers and content creators. If even half the speculation proves true, the Pocket 4 may significantly elevate mobile video production. Let's take a closer look at what makes this upcoming release so exciting. The Pocket 4 is expected to be slightly larger than its predecessor, weighing around 190 grams, but it will retain its compact, pocket-friendly appeal. The size increase likely accommodates a rotating 2.5-inch touchscreen, a major upgrade from the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3. With a resolution of 480 by 800 pixels and 800 nits brightness, the new screen will offer better visibility in bright conditions, improved framing, and easier navigation. This enhancement benefits both casual users and professionals looking for a more refined shooting experience. Additionally, the Pocket 4 may feature an improved grip and better button placement for enhanced ergonomics, reducing strain during extended use. One of the most significant rumored upgrades is the introduction of a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens. This upgrade could drastically improve image sharpness, low-light performance, and dynamic range, ensuring high-quality footage in various lighting conditions. The video ISO range is expected to span from 50 to 6,400, while still photography may extend up to 16,000, making it a versatile tool for different shooting environments. Additionally, the Pocket 4 is rumored to support 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR recording, providing greater flexibility in post-production and richer color representation. A standout rumor is the ability to record 4K video at an impressive 240 frames per second. This would double the slow-motion capability of its predecessor, unlocking new creative possibilities for content creators. Whether you're capturing action sequences, nature shots, or cinematic moments, this feature would allow for ultra-smooth slow-motion footage with enhanced clarity. The new sensor and a more powerful processor could also improve real-time HDR previews, faster data processing, and overall video quality, making editing workflows smoother and more efficient. Autofocus issues have been a concern in previous models, with the Pocket 3 occasionally struggling with focus hunting. The Pocket 4 is rumored to include phase detection autofocus, PDAF, and eye tracking, ensuring faster, more reliable focusing, particularly for fast-moving subjects. This means vloggers can confidently walk and talk without worrying about losing focus. Additionally, the rumored integration of ActiveTrack 7.0 could enhance subject tracking, combining PDAF and eye tracking for seamless, accurate focus even when subjects move dynamically. Battery performance plays a crucial role in any portable camera, and DJI appears to be improving in this area. Reports suggest that the Pocket 4 will feature a more efficient power management system, extending recording times without compromising performance. Another exciting rumor is fast charging, potentially allowing a full charge in just 25 minutes with DJI's PD charger, a noticeable improvement over the Pocket 3's 32-minute charge time. Additionally, better heat management is expected, reducing overheating risks during extended use and ensuring reliability for long shooting sessions. Stabilization has always been a highlight of DJI's Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 is expected to raise the bar. While previous models relied on mechanical stabilization, the new version may integrate advanced electronic stabilization algorithms, further refining video smoothness. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action shots, dynamic camera movements, or simple handheld vlogs, this upgrade could significantly reduce unwanted shakes and improve overall footage quality. With these substantial upgrades, the Pocket 4's pricing is rumored to start at around $699, with a creator combo version potentially costing $799. While this represents an increase from the Pocket 3, the improved features may justify the higher price tag for many creators. As for its release date, reports suggest a possible launch in late 2026 or early 2027, following DJI's typical 3-year product cycle. If true, the wait might be long, but the enhancements could make it well worth it.